For over 3 decades, Alpena has been providing you with high-quality, durable, and affordable LED technology. In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's Spotfire LED light, LED clamp solo, and Install Kit Plus dual output harness with switch. These instructions can also be used for the following Alpena products: Terra 6, Spotfire, Trailfire, and LED Traillite. The following tools will be needed for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used when installing these products. Let's get started. Open the boxes to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Find a secure metal edge where you'd like to mount your clamps. Be sure you select a mounting location that does not obstruct the visibility of the driver when operating the vehicle. Using provided Allen keys, tighten the lower Allen headset screw to surface to secure the clamp. When secured, keep top mounting plate loose to allow ease of adjusting accessory light. Repeat these steps for your second LED clamp. Grab your Spotfire and mount light onto LED clamp. Adjust the tilt and rotation of your LED clamps if needed, and tighten your LED clamps with the Allen key and wrench. Run your positive and negative wires from the Spotfire under the hood to prep it for crimping. Repeat these steps for your second Spotfire and prepare the provided positive and negative crimp connectors for the next steps. Grab your Install Kit Plus and prepare for crimping. Find your positive and negative wires from each harness output. Grab 2 female crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the Spotfire. Repeat for the second Spotfire on the other side of the hood with the remaining female crimp connectors. Grab 2 male crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of each Install Kit Plus harness output. Repeat for the second output with the remaining male crimp connectors. Connect your first Spotfire's crimp connectors to the harness connectors. Repeat for the other Spotfire. Warning: if a second light is not connected, the red and black wires from the harness must be isolated from each other and protected against contacting any metal surface. Disconnect the negative terminal followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connection with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. From the Install Kit Plus harness, grab your positive terminal and mount to the battery's positive terminal. Tighten your battery terminal to secure connection. Now grab your negative terminal and mount to the battery's negative terminal. Tighten to secure connection. Tidy up the wiring and ensure it's not close to heat sources or moving engine parts. Use zip ties to contain the wiring if needed, and cut clean the excess cable ties to avoid future injuries. Run the blue, white, and black wiring through a grommet hole in the engine bay or desired space to the cabin. Find a mounting location for the switch. And you're all set. Now you're ready for your next off-roading adventure.